Aren't you dressed?
Can you guess what Holly likes to eat best? Chocolate cake! No, not chocolate cake. Holly likes birds. Yes.
It's very important not to give Polly too much food.
Yes, Grandpa, will you come out of the cage?
Yes, but you must keep all the doors and windows closed so Polly doesn't fly away.
Yes, Grandpa.
Goodbye, Peppa. Goodbye, George.
Goodbye, Granny Pig. Goodbye, Grandpa Pig. Goodbye, Granny Pig. Goodbye, Grandpa Pig. Very big and fun like a balloon.
What's that noise?
Ice cream! Ice cream! Hooray!
Dear, George has forgotten to close the door.
Ice cream! Ice cream!
It is Miss Rabbit's ice cream lady.
Hello, Mummy Pig. Hello, Miss Rabbit. 4 ice creams, please.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit. George, you forgot to close the door. Polly will have thrown away.
How many inches did you say coming? It's gonna be, Brennan.
I'm sure
It's a
Polly
bunch.
will try.
Polly's not
You want to keep the long socks on or you want the short?
No, Date, I'm just watching.
Here, I told you it's gonna, they said it's gonna be a bunch. Here, hold your face up for a minute. Hold up, let me see something.
Look,
They said it's gonna be a bunch.
What has Mummy Pig seen in the garden?
Turn around, let's show you this thing.
But Daddy, how are we
Yeah,
going to
well.
get Polly down from the tree?
Don't worry, Peppa. I'll rescue Polly.
I
Polly,
forgot I put this stuff.
No, Polly
It's
is
like a
thrown
cup of
high
tea.
up the tree.
oh dear.
That bird or something, yeah.
Daddy, don't fall out of
Put the heat on.
No thanks, where's
What
it?
is this? Hold up, Brennan. Something up there.
I'll be very careful. Come
Yeah.
on.
Oh, I'll put that stringer on it. Here. Hold up, let me see. Hold up.
I wonder where George is going.
I'll put the stringer on it. Here.
George has got Polly's birdseed. Polly loves to eat birdseed.
George has got Polly down from the
They
tree.
just-
What's that noise?
Daddy thinks
Oh, the tree's getting covered over there. Okay.
Hello. Oh, Granny Pig.
I'm coming.
Isaac Jesus.
I got the rest here, too.
Basketballs. Good pizza. Good pizza.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
My name is Miss Victoria. I'm the case manager.
Yes, how Miss Victoria?
Okay, you was transferred here 2 days ago, right?
Yes.
Your assigned case manager is outside, like, out on medical leave right now. So I'm gonna be the assigned case manager for now. So I'll set up a meeting for you to meet with me tomorrow at 10 a.m. in the morning. Is your son here? Okay, no.
Brennan,
He's gonna have to be, sorry.
look, he right here.
Hi, no, I'm just saying, how are you?
Doing good.
Good? Okay, he's gonna have to be present tomorrow because he's over 18, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm right here, and then don't worry about the date. I put the date for you.
Okay, thank you
All
so
right.
much. Yes, ma'am.
So what's the paper for?
It's an appointment slip to let her know she has an appointment with me tomorrow to complete her initial intake. That's what the paper's for.
We have to wait till it's dry as the sun.
Yes. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The room is C1 and on lower level, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am. Thank you so
All
much.
right, no
Thank you,
problem.
Thank you, Miss Victoria. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
No problem.
Thank you.
All right,
Have a
see
good
you
day.
guys.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
George, you got
You should take more care of Mr. Dinosaur.
She said 10 a.m., so we have to see her. What's that? You can put it back up. Why you take it down? You want to put it back in the bag?
No, I'll keep it right here for safekeeping.
Oh, okay. What happened to the ones that was up here? What happened to those? Oh, I gotta wipe that off.
They're in the bag.
Oh, you don't want it up there? I'm gonna wipe this off. This is dirty up here. Hold on. It's dirty right there. I'm gonna wipe that off. I'll go ahead.
Snowflakes.
Yeah, it's still snowing, right? Yeah, they said it was going to be snowing. Sorry. My head hurts. I ain't gonna be seeing him. Yeah. Yeah, these socks are dirty. I'm gonna wash these socks off a little bit. You want the short ones or you want the long socks on?
No thanks. I'll be fine.
Alright, keep those on. Alright.
We'll come back and
Yeah.
Tun, 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 tun.
Now push that back and then go back. Hold it right.
You're almost done.
Who?
The snow. Getting foggy too. Welcome to the Brooklyn Queens. Transmit operations. Enjoy the snow.
What time is it? 10 something? Huh?
10:09.
Oh.
One thing.
Leave it on. Don't turn it on.